Hello, in this tutorial I want to quickly show you how easy you can take screenshots and record screen in your Samsung Galaxy F series. In this video I'm using Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So make a deal, if this video helped you, you are going to leave the subscription on this channel and it will be for 100%. So let's start. To take a screenshot, you have to take a look on these physical buttons, on the volume down and the power key. We have to click and hold them for a while until our screen flash. Just like that. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. When we click on this bar, we can edit this screenshot. So we can resize, for example. We can also draw something. If you want to correct, remove it, just use this option. If you want to save, click right here. So one more time, to take screenshot, use these two buttons. You can take a lot of screenshots just like that. If you want to locate the screenshots, you have to open the gallery on your phone, move to the albums, and the screenshots you will find right here. That's the first that we take. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you want to record the screen, you have to open this notification panel and then click on the screen recorder icon. When you make it, I will get few options. We can record media sounds, media and the microphone, and we can also mute both of them. We can enable to show tabs and the touches. To start recording, click on this button. You can skip this countdown, and there it is, record is on the way. If you want to hide this bar, click on this arrow. If you want to get it back, just drag. You can draw when the recording is on the way. You can change color. You can also turn on the front camera, as you can see. To pause, click on this place. To finish, click right here. Recording saved. If you want to locate, go for the gallery, go for the albums, and the screen record will be in this place. So as you can see, that's how you can take screenshots and record your screen in the Samsung Galaxy F series. Please remember to leave subscription on this channel, leave likes under this video and of course comments. See ya!